Hello, Hiboy just sent us this electric scooter.
This video has been sponsored by Hiboy electric scooters and e-bikes, and I'm going to give it a quick review and rundown on how the scooter works and functions. We're going to unbox the Hiboy electric scooter. You have your manual, extra inflatable tire, your tools. Then you have the Hiboy scooter. It's almost fully built. Just needs a couple screws to be put in. You have all your tools right here that you need. Very simple setup. To put this scooter together, you get an Allen key and 6 little screws. Basically, you grab the head of the scooter. You gotta push these wires in so they fit nice and tucked. Put it in like that, and then lay your screws down. I'm not gonna bore you, but this takes only a minute to build it. Just place all the screws in each hole. So now it's all built. It was very easy to build. Even a 5-year-old could build this. That's how simple it is. All you do, go right here, grab this, hook it on, and boom, you're ready to ride. Hiboy has also sent us a battery-powered electric pump for your tires. Link this product in the description. The Hiboy electric tire pump could also inflate your car tires with the Hiboy, and it is very useful for any type and sort of tire inflating. So let's power this unit on. Just hold it like a second, just like that. And it has all sorts of modes. It has eco mode, it has normal mode, and the best of all, it has sports mode. I know you guys would like that a lot. And then it also has a headlight for night rides. You just press the button once, and you have a headlight at night. Then it has a 500-watt rear-powered electric motor that is run on by a 48-volt battery that's inside of the construction, so it is all safe and it is very hard. The scooter is also very stable because of the way the battery is all built into here. Like other scooter brands, they put them inside of the stem, and it is not stable for you. But Hiboy gives you a very stable and smooth ride in urban areas, cities. I personally used this electric scooter to drive around the drag strips pit area to look at all the cool rides there. Because of this powerful battery, the range of the Hiboy scooter is all the way up to 40 miles. That is unheard of from scooters that cost around $500. And on sports mode setting, you could go all the way up to 19 miles per hour on a $500 scooter with a very powerful front brake that will stop you in any second. You just press this right here. The powerful brake pumps up and activates. Another feature that you have is a little bell. With the Hiboy, this is also very easy to store. They're just simple directions to do it. You pull this lever up, you pull it back, just like that, it comes out. Then you pull this right here. Make sure it grabs on with the hook. It's held on very well. You pick it up, it is lightweight. And you can put it into your car and go to your local park and ride it around. Brakes are very powerful and give you a full stopping force at any given moment. It has very good speed. It speeds up very fast. This Hiboy also has a very strong chassis, and it is very durable for any occasion, and it has a very powerful motor.